Japanese knotweed is often in the news, with stories of people losing mortgages due to the presence of the invasive plant. However, although the issue can create a wealth of headlines, there's a straightforward approach to tackling the problem. National trade body, the Property Care Association, known as the PCA, can help consumers to reach professional treatment companies, offering assurance, standardisation and certainty in tackling the problem. The PCA has worked with the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors, or RICS, supported by the Council of Mortgage Lenders and the Building Societies Association, together with Japanese knotweed control companies that currently operate within the UK, to develop the Invasive Weed Control Group.
We're in Cambridgeshire and we're stood next to a very large stand of Japanese knotweed on the edge of a residential development. This large, invasive, non-native weed causes huge problems for the UK property markets. It's a very fast-growing, very vigorous plant that puts down deep rhizomes that can cause problems with foundations and roots in lightly constructed buildings and in drains. Japanese knotweed has become a major issue for many lending agents. Houses are not, in some circumstances, being provided with mortgages, or homeowners are not being provided with mortgages because of the perception that Japanese knotweed is quite so destructive. At the moment, Japanese knotweed is a plant that people are running scared of, including the lending agents, unfortunately. But the truth is, Japanese knotweed can be eradicated in the same way as many other household problems can be resolved and rectified. With the right people doing the right diagnostic investigations and producing the right specifications for treatment, Japanese knotweed can be eradicated in the same way as damp, or a faulty wiring problem, or any other defect that affects the home or garden.
The PCA has developed a code of practice and a training programme for its professional members and those interested in the biology and control of Japanese knotweed. The PCA is noted for its training and technical expertise, with an industry-recognised training programme and a renowned technical panel able to share best practice and guidance with members. It is also a member of Trustmark, the government-backed scheme which aims to help consumers find reliable and trustworthy tradesmen and making improvements or repairs to their homes.
Unfortunately, in the same way as any other growing industry attracts rogues, the Japanese knotweed control industry has done the same. And unfortunately, there are a whole bunch of people out there in white vans claiming that they can eradicate things in short periods of time or for very little money. The truth is, however, that the legitimate section of the Japanese knotweed control industry have now formed a trade association and working inside the PCA to uphold standards and make sure that clients get the correct outcomes.
Find out more. To contact a PCA member, homeowners can log on to the association's website www.property-care.org and select the Find a Member service. Mortgage lenders, lawyers, surveyors and other professionals wanting to know more about the PCA's Invasive Weed Control Group can email pca@property-care.org or call 0844 375 4301.